Welcome in this video. So Versus Foundation, the cryptocurrency potential cryptocurrency, I would say. So if you notice their post here sharing some statistic about Versus, the app is running for 5 weeks, just 100k users already. They get like ChatGPT. How can ChatGPT get viral? You know, ChatGPT is the most usable, most customer getting platform I have ever seen. So in the internet history, so if you noticed, so Versus Foundation in crypto, if you notice that in 5 weeks they get 1 million 100k users and 500k DAO. What does that mean? I don't know. 530k Telegram subscribers, 270k Twitter subscriber, and 4 million 300k Bharat Mind. So Mind is already started. If you want, you can do that. Here is I'm talking about Vertus Foundation Airdrop. Okay, so if I show you further information about that inside of the you know inside of the my Telegram, here you will notice that I already posted about join their offer. Okay, they led first 1 million people. Congratulations. So anyhow, you can be part of that. So click on there, like it's based on Tone network, Tone blockchain, and this purchase is Telegram wallet. Here you need to do just mind their token, and some of the thing has here, so I'm showing you. Okay, I mean now Bhart's Foundation here is their roadmap, and if you noticed that here is you know quarter 1 here, beta launch and testing 2024, quarter 2 official Telegram app launch and token distribution. Here we are. And quarter 3 is introductions of staking DeFi testnet release, and testnet not yet published. So we are just gonna get testnet. Now we are doing mining here, and we are gonna get testnet. So however, and quarter 4 official release of our DeFi product, that is a mainnet. Okay, so now this is a picture. Now if you noticed here, quarter 4 idea and initial development, they already done research, development, internal testing, first prototype. Quarter 1, like January, February, March, April, this we are now in the, so quarter 1 2024 beta launch and testing, design, development, beta launch and internal testing, all of things they're done. If you noticed here, mark sign, first contact prototype. So here is we are in this in this time, like quarter 2 2024 official Telegram app launch, Telegram app bot launch, start mining part already started. Here you're seeing that the box is filled with tick. Okay, release Tone wallet feature already released, release of countries feature not yet, first mainnet launch not yet, Bart listing on DEX anywhere not listed, Bart token, strategic partnership, community growth, interface on. If you noticed again, quarter 3 mean middle of the 2024. Here is beginning of phase 2 testnet release, introductions of staking, list pardon more exchanges, DeFi product testnet release, strategic investment announcements, phase 2. So now here is November December in the 2024 beginning of phase 3 mainnet launch, DeFi MVP release, expand versus ecosystem, further development of MVP, new product introduced, ecosystem growth, a lot of things, tons of things. So now how do you join? I will show you today to you. So for joining in the Versus Foundation mining apps, check out this video description. You will get this Telegram channel, come into and check out latest post on Telegram. Click on this Versus app bot, that is inside of the Telegram, native Telegram, and they got Telegram is doing this thing. You don't need to go to anywhere to doing transaction. Okay, Telegram has their one blockchain like Ton. Okay, so now click on start. Now it will be pop up. Click on open app, start, and your app will be curated. You need to curate your app. Click on curate new app. So if you can read out loud this thing, and if you notice that graphic is so much better than other. Okay, BART is the if I show you, BART is the centerpiece of the new ecosystem. It is distributed to early adopters and mined passively. You are early, okay? In Airdrop market, Airdrop world, testnet world, who get token? Those are early adopter. Nobody. If you are not early adopter, you need to buy this token when it will go into mainnet. Okay, any um, DAX or centralized exchange would be listed. So we don't wanna buy this thing. We wanna earn from earlier time. So now this time to earn part token. Click on correct new wallet. And what is part? Part is a new cryptocurrency. It is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, this is a part. Its network is stone. Okay, its blockchain is stone. Like if you notice that, let's say, uh, what about where? Like let's say, um, like WBNB, or if you notice that like Tibo token or DOS coin is based on a base chain. The meme coin are meme coins network is base chain. If you notice that NFT network is Ethereum, and if you noticed that PancakeSwap cake token is based on BNB network, BHC network. Okay, so the thing is, Bharat is new cryptocurrency built on the Tone blockchain. Tone is the official blockchain of Telegram. Our mission is to democratize access to cryptocurrency, making it accessible to all. Click on next. Mining currency in phase on. The Bharat token is being distributed equitably among all participating users. This phase focuses on ensuring a fair and widespread allocations of the tokens to the community, laying the groundwork for its adoption and use. Wherever you are in, doesn't matter. Which country are you in, doesn't matter. Crypto is everywhere, east to west. Okay, so click on next. Why part? As we transition into phase 2, part will evolve a utility token. The phase will showcase its functional applications and integrations, emphasizing its integral role in the infrastructure of future projects. Stay tuned for further updates and developments about part in the upcoming period. Click on start mining. So here we are in side of the our Vertus wallet in the Telegram. However, here you have climb your fast part. Click on there and click on part is the you know you know uh, centerpiece of the new ecosystem. It is distributed to early adopters and mine passively. Collect your part. Your thing is automatically is being updated. Okay, however, so is storage 2 hour to fill. Collect, we are already collecting. Our token is adding here our balance. And one YouTuber who said that it's one token would be like $5 equal. I don't know yet. Okay, so mission, if I click on here, uh you have couple of tasks here. I don't yet joined. Okay, it's my first account. It is my first time I'm in in these apps. So 12 missions available. Complete the missions to get part. Okay, follow on Telegram the purchase. Click on there, follow them. Okay, join, bam, get back, mission completed. You get follow on Twitter. Well, however, see if I back button here. Okay, follow on here. Okay, okay, back. Okay, that's great. And have 5 referrals. Community Telegram Premium, Tone Poker, and Tone Poker restart. Maybe that's on this one is like uh, Telegram apps. based on, you know, Telegram kind of thing, like wallet type of thing. I don't know, man. So however, we are in the our Versus here. I'm just showing you as much you know, as you can to doing that. Okay, already we are doing this thing. Converter, convert your Vert coins to XL token here, not available here. Storage here, you will see your missions, click on there, and as much task as you can do. Sponsors, follow on crypto oof, crypto oof. If you follow, you will get additional point here. Okay, King Tron Crypto, watch and subscribe. Okay, your thing is done. If you go here, you will notice here. Okay, okay, see it, your task is complete. Claim free coins, everything you can see here. Okay, so if you want to, mission is not complete yet. Okay, however, we are want to actual apps. Here is our apps. It's loading. Wait here for a minute. I'm showing you everything. Our token is already adding. Storage, friends, invite. If you want to invite people, do that. Every time your friend climb part, you get 16% cashback. Okay, and now here is countries. What about this thing? Join countries, band together in countries to achieve more 10% cashback. The country gets a 10% bonus when member climb part. Leaderboard, top countries get rewards. Curate community, curate a country and invite all your groups here. My country, okay, my country would be Wanga Finance. Okay, so I want to invite you here, so the link I will pop into in the, you will see my link on Telegram, so come into there, you will see everything there. Okay, I'm new here, I'm just showing you, like you are, you know, I never used this thing before. So yeah, we already did this thing. Our thing is uh, like we are mining every day. I start just follow mining and it will be done. So if you want to upgrade, increase passive mining speed, so if I click on here, upgrade, so we already get this thing. Yeah, upgrade successfully. Your uh, your speed would be high enough. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to upgrade, if you do upgrade, it will be increased. Okay, so the thing it's the best thing ever when you will get 1.1 belt token. At that time you can claim this thing. However, the speed is ups. Okay, the thing is, you can complete this task as well as you earn here. Okay, play coin, start. Yes, it is pen, play yes coin, start playing. Whatever happened, I don't know. I'm just like tapping on screen. Okay, back button, just you need to complete the task. Okay, purchase. So we are mining here. Okay, click on storage and mission and complete this task. The more you do this, the more you will get point. Okay, and click on open apps while you are get out of these apps. Okay, and check out that it is mining or not. When you see that it is mining, it's earn money for you totally free. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until then, happy hunting.